There was the McCarthy era, and I remember as a child, we lived in that apartment house, and there was a incinerator in the basement. And I remember we had a bookshelf, and in that bookshelf we had Das Kapital, we had books by Lenin, by Marx, just a whole. I remember that because I clearly remember because I used to ask my father, "What are these books?" And he would tell me, "Well, that's from whatever is young, things. When you get older, you can read it." There was one in particular I loved, and it's the only one I still have, and it was called The Ruling Class, CLAWSS. It was a comic book, actually. It's a book of illustrations. So my dad, here it was in McCarthy era, brought me down to the basement because he had gathered up all those books except the Ruling Class, because he figured a cartoon book they wouldn't, know what to do with that. And he burned them all, every single one of them, in the incinerator that day. He was that scared. He was that scared because he felt between that and being Jewish, he could be fried. And don't forget, the Rosenbergs had been executed. It wasn't long after that. He was pretty scared. I think, but he wanted to make sure that I understood what was happening. So there I was a young kid. I think my brother was with us too, but he was even younger. But I must have been 5 or 6 years old. But I can still see the incinerator in the books and my father talking to me. So he made sure. So that's, I guess, what it means being a red diaper baby. I don't think that happens to someone whose parents are not involved in that.